Welcome back to the channel. Stop everything you are doing because the era of the massive gas-guzzling RV is officially dead and this tiny three-wheeled pod just killed it. You are looking at a futuristic electric tricycle camper that looks more like a private jet for the road than a traditional motorhome. I caught a glimpse of this thing at sunset, and it literally stopped traffic because nobody could believe a living room was cruising down the highway on three wheels. Imagine waking up in the middle of a national park, sliding back that massive glass door, and having the entire forest as your front porch. Most vans feel like metal boxes, but this design uses a panoramic cockpit that gives you a 180-degree view of the world. You aren't just driving to a destination, you are living inside the view the entire time. But wait until you see how they solved the biggest problem with tiny living. While your old petrol van is loud, vibrating, and expensive to fuel, this electric beast hums in total silence. It features a gull-wing kitchen hatch that flips up, turning the side of the vehicle into an outdoor bistro. You can cook your breakfast under the shade of the door while staring at the mountains. It makes traditional campers look like prehistoric relics from a time when we actually cared about gas stations. Now, you might be wondering how a three-wheeler handles a kitchen and a lounge without tipping over. The low-profile battery tech in the floor keeps the center of gravity incredibly tight. However, there is a catch you need to consider before selling your house. With only one wheel up front and a low clearance, this is strictly a paved road queen. Don't expect to take this rock crawling or deep into muddy trails unless you want to get stuck before dinner. The interior is a minimalist dream with a plush sofa that looks comfortable enough to spend a week on. But storage is clearly at a premium. You won't be packing a surfboard and a mountain bike inside this pod. It is designed for the digital nomad who wants to travel light, fast, and completely emission-free. It's a trade-off between infinite space and the freedom to park almost anywhere a standard car can fit. This isn't just a vehicle. It is a statement that the future of travel doesn't have to be bulky or boring. It's about stripping away the clutter and keeping the comfort. If you had the keys to this electric pod right now, where is the very first place you would drive to spend the night? Drop your dream destination in the comments and let's talk about whether three wheels are better than four.